All right, guys. Today we're here at Eastwood. Every Friday, I guess every weekend, they have these like night market or whatever night food market that they have. We're gonna go try that out. So yeah, let's go. All right, guys. So we're in Eastwood. I guess they have a night market here every Friday. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Cool night market food here in Eastwood. Good eats they're gonna have here. Oh, nice. What do you want, Mikael? Yay. Bad. Then we got Korean food here. Cool. And pasta. Not bad. Oh wow. Ooh, got some Korean street food here. Even that over there. Ooh, got chicken wings, got spaghetti, got mac and cheese, got crab, got these Korean rolls and fish cake. All of this for under about $10. Good stuff, really cheap eats here. Thank you. Mochi ice cream.
Thank you.
Very cool. Look at this one, fried chicken ice cream. That is cool. Fried chicken ice cream. What? We're gonna eat this mochi ice cream. And I guess they also have this leche flan donut. I've never seen that. That's cool. Pretty cool stuff here in Eastwood Mall. Just checking out what the sights are and more. I'm gonna go eat this this mochi real fast. What's up, guys? Today we're at Tiger Sugar. We're gonna do a comparison. Tiger Sugar against Fire Tiger. Let's go. All right, this is Tiger Sugar. It's like a Taiwanese boba place. We're gonna get one. All right, so Jin got this. They don't have this on Guam. It's called brown sugar boba Milo milk with cheese mousse. So we're just waiting for them to make it here at Tiger Sugar, and then we're gonna go check out the other one. All right, Jin's on into Tiger Sugar. Whatever has bobas, really tiny bobas, Milo flavor, and they also gave a free ice cream. That's cool. I never seen a Tiger Sugar ice cream. 15. Pretty good. All right.
What was that?
This is Tiger Sugar ice cream. I don't know if they have this in Guam yet, but this is the first for me. Oh wow. It's go ready. It even has like a what's that called? Tiramisu style. Oh man. Oh wow. The chocolate actually tastes like a boba. It's crazy. It's a chocolate cone as well. Can't take out everything. I'll just eat it like this. Wow. This is actually a boba ice cream. And it's really good. Really good. Wow. Alright, so Tiger Sugar ice cream. They don't have this in Guam. It's like boba flavored with chocolate. Good stuff here at Tiger Sugar. All right, we're at Tiger Sugar. I know we have this on Guam, but they don't got this ice cream, boba ice cream from Tiger Sugar. Yummy stuff. Had real boba inside.
I get this, what's that? Boba, brown sugar, boba milk, Milo. There's a Milo on this, like powder. And then, it's good. They don't have this in glass. This flavor.
Yeah, even this ice cream. Fire Tiger. It's another boba shop, I guess, but it has so much more. Oh, looks cool. There's giant tiger head. Yes.
What did I get?
Nothing. I'm for it now. Let's go. Look, you get your on Fire Tiger. You get your drinks from the mouth of the tiger. Look.